Let's take a detailed look at string functions. Here we have a string function, initCat, which says change all the first letters in each word to uppercase. Pass through the initCat function, gives me my name is Joe. Let's try out that initCat function, and let's try select initCat name from category. We note, for instance, that children's music and theatre is all uppercase on the first letter of each word. If we select, once again, name from category, we find that it actually changed the word, and it changed the S after the apostrophe because it assumes that the S is actually a word by itself. That can probably be avoided by using escape sequences and escape characters on the quote character, because Oracle actually uses a quote as a language interpretation command as a string delimiter. So, string functions. Here are all the string functions currently available in Oracle. The ones that are highlighted in red are generally the ones that I use often, and the ones that we're interested in. The ones that we're not interested in at this stage are generally the national language character set functions, SoundX, which does something odd and returns phonetic representations of words to do with sound. ASCII and char deal with conversions between binary and character values, and the treat function does things with data types. So let's get back to the red ones. These are all the red ones. Let's look at them in detail by example. Concat. Concat expression. This means that you put two expressions or strings delimited by a comma into the concat function. The concat function concatenates or sticks two strings together. Let's look at an example. I have a large number of examples which I've typed into a SQL file, and I'll use these to demonstrate all of these string functions. So let's go through them one by one. The concat function. I've got two names, actually a first name and a last name, in two separate strings, and I'm simply concatenating them into a single string. Obviously, it probably would have looked better, since this is a name, if I'd done something like this. And there we have it. Concat toChar category ID and name from category table. It simply concatenates the values. We could make that even better by saying select concat toChar category ID and what I was thinking of actually doing is this. Let's embed them. So we'd have toChar category ID, convert it to a char. We need to concat that to a comma, and then we need to concat the result to the name column from category. And there we have what could effectively be a comma delimited file, if we were to output it to a spool file, etc. There's a much easier way of doing that, of course. We can simply say, in fact, we probably don't even have to use the toChar function, because there will probably be an implicit type conversion. You've seen me use this in the past, where I have a single concatenation using these double pipe commands. I needed to use two concat commands embedded within each other because I had three items to concatenate together. But I showed you how to embed things. You can embed functions. One function can call another. That's what I mean by embedding. So that's concatenation.